everyone, and hope you're well. So welcome to today's video. I know you really wanted to see this eye makeup look that I had on in one of my videos the other day. It's just a really light, shimmery, one of my favorites of everyday makeup, but you really liked it and you requested me to do a tutorial, so here we go. So carry on watching to see how I created this look. Okay, so first off, I used an eye primer by Decay, and it's the one called ZEIN. I've had these little samples for ages and I've just been absolutely obsessed with this eye primer. I mean, look at that colour. It is just gorge. So I've put that all over my eyelid first, just to get a good base, and that's kind of what gives it the shine. Then I've revisited an old one, but a good one, Naked Basic 1. Oh my gosh, not Naked Basic, just Naked. I love this palette. I've had this palette for years and hardly ever made a dent into it, but I just adore this palette. So what I did was I went in with the shade Naked, which is just a sort of like neutral brown, and I just kind of focus on the outer edge and crease. Then I go in with the shade Buck and I do the same thing. So just concentrating on the crease and just in that inner corner there. And it just creates a really nice sort of soft and then I take it underneath the eye. I'm never too like precise with that. I just kind of, you know, use a big brush and go underneath. Then I take ZEIN the eyeshadow. So we've used ZEIN the eye primer and now we're going to go in with ZEIN the eyeshadow, and just with a flat brush like that, and I just place that on the eyelid, and you see it just kind of brings that ZEIN colour back alive. I love this colour. If I could only have two eyeshadows in the world, it would be, actually if I had only one eyeshadow, it'd be ZEIN. Yeah, I love it. It is so nice. And I just put that over the eyelid like that. You can put it in the inner corner. Take your blending brush again and just kind of blend the corners just a bit more. Just keep it at, so you're keeping the depth. And then what I did for liner was, what I normally do now is I just take a dark shadow and a pencil brush like this, and I sort of smudge in a dark shade. This is the Bobbi Brown Greige palette. It's gorgeous. And I'm taking the shade Fog, yeah, which is this dark grey here. Oh God, it's such a nice colour. And I just take a blending brush like this, tap it out, and I just focus it along the lash line. So you just get this really soft, smoked out shadow. Go to the other side. In with mascara, and I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I know you're like, Shaz, but you don't like that mascara. Well, it's the only one I've got at the moment that's not dried out, so that's why I'm using that. Then for lips, I'm going to line with NYX Slide On Glide On in Nude Suede Shoes. I love this lip pencil. Then the lipstick is MAC Honey Love. Revisiting, love this. There you have it. That was my look in my previous video. Was it my previous video, the one that you all liked, the eyeshadow look when I had the little pink frilly top? It's kind of a look I do all the time because it's just easy and I know it works. So it's just really soft eyes, nice nude lips, bit of definition with the liner, and yeah, it can take you from day into night, and it's one of my favourite looks. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.